Hey guys, hey family, welcome to the channel. Tanya here. Welcome to Posh Plants and Garden, where I grow. I'm a culinary garden working in my backyard patio. Today, it's been a chilly couple of days, so what I do is I put a lot of my seedlings in this little greenhouse here, and I broke the zipper. So when it gets chilly, I couldn't zip it all the way up, so I used one of those Dollar Tree shower curtains, and I clamp it. So let me show you what I do. These clamps are everything. You can get them from Dollar Tree, from Amazon. Just take one of those Dollar Tree. They're $1.50 now, and I stocked up when they were $1, and just take it and drape it around here and clamp it. So the zipper is broken. So we're warming up a little bit, so I'm gonna go in and open it up today. These are little squashes. I don't have a label in here. I grew these from seed. These started in February. So it's time for me to get these in their forever home. These are all cucurbits. And they're warm season crops, so it's important for me to keep them in the greenhouse. And when it gets cold, and that's when I, make sure that I put that plastic around this greenhouse so not a lot of cold air can get in there. And they will survive. Look, there's some little squashes coming up. Squashes survive nicely. They've gone to like 2 freeze spells. Put them in one of these. It gets really cozy in here. These are pumpkins. So just keeping them in the greenhouse. Keeping them in the greenhouse, they'll go on and start sprouting without germination. They'll start like growing little male flowers, and their tentacles are coming out. So I'm telling you guys all this to say that, it's very important if you're going to start your seeds indoors or start them before the season, to have a way of keeping your warm season crops, your warm season plants warm. Let them still get some sunlight, but just keep them warm. Here are the sugar baby pumpkins. I think that other one was a sugar baby pumpkin. So this week my task is to get these in the big pots. They're ready. There's a crew building a house behind us, so that's the noise you hear. Jackby little pumpkin survived. Everything survived. Okay, everything else in here is looking great. All of my new and old tomato plants. Got some zucchini here. Oh, I got a lot of work to do, y'all. And down here, they really did well down here. These squashes that I planted. Most of these, I planted from seeds in February. Let me see. This is a bok choy. Started that from seed. It needs to be up potted. It's the 1st of April, so what I'm going to do, I'm not going to like put anything in their forever home until after our frost date, our last frost date, which is about April 10th. This is April 1st. So everything looks good. I'm just going to water everything. And they're going to go back in here. This is cute. And then in a couple weeks, they're going out. They're going on the grow table. Here's a collard green plant. Let's see what the roots look like. The roots are coming down. Yeah, so they're pretty established. The roots are coming from the back, coming out the bottom. Okay guys, now I'm in the greenhouse. Hubby really cleared it out for me, for us rather. He really did a good job clearing it out. Now I have to kind of just organize it and put stuff where I want them to go. This is his. These are things he grew from seed inside about February. Yeah, so he's working on that. Then I put some seeds on the 18th of March, and so they're just coming up. I put them out here in the greenhouse. I put a water a watermelon bush sugar baby, and a cantaloupe seed. They're coming up nicely. I was testing out these cells here, and so I got a Roma tomato coming up. I guess the jalapenos. I got 1, 2, 3. No, I got 4 out of the 5, so I'm gonna let them stay in here. So I have to like clean this stuff out. And so now that I'm gonna start putting my plants in their pots, it'll get really cleared out here. But I don't want anything else in here until I get it all organized. He cleared the way. I still got celery over here. I got a taste for some chicken salad, so I like to have celery on my chicken salad. So it's my birthday week. I'm going to be busy, so I want everything to be on cruise control until I, till after my birthday bash week. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. Just, how we can keep our, let me see, what is the temperature? It's already 70 degrees in here. So keep your stuff on autopilot. Okay, so all of this was grown from seed in February, and they're doing very well. So they'll be well established and strong before I put them in their big grow pots. I'll put them in grow bags or big planters. And here's what the collard greens that you guys were with me on the journey in the fall. That's when I plant all my brassicas. And you see how they're flowering. They're pretty flowers, don't they? And then when the flowers dry out, they'll have some pods, and then that's where I'll get the seeds from. But I'm gonna have to get rid of some of them. All right, guys, thanks so much. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers and the Posh Plants and Garden crew, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.